So now I'm rinsing out the conditioner from her hair. So her curls are popping now. And this is Princess Heavenly Joy, my Reborn Toddler. She has beautiful human hair. Flip her over. Making sure I thoroughly get this out. It is out. Water is clear. Is Princess Heavenly. Let me show you the back of her head. Protecting her in her vinyl with her bathrobe. So now I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioner to her hair. Yes. So this is the conclusion of our hair washing and conditioning and detangling video. Thank you for tuning in. God bless and take care. See you on the next video.